Counsel.
Yeah, he's ready.
Yes, we've had this spoken. So the Supreme Court has spoken. The first of your case, 4-1 majority decision. Tell us about that.
Okay, so yes, the Supreme Court has spoken, even though we are yet to get the reasoning behind it. But essentially what they are saying, it's not really a 4-1 majority decision with regards to the first one. You know, the petitioners or the applicant filed a few reliefs, I think about 5 of them, with regards to the substantive matter. The Supreme Court, by unanimous decision, dismissed the 2 reliefs out of the 5. No, 3 reliefs, and then the 1, 2, 3, and then the 2 which essentially bordered on the contempt and prohibiting the judge from proceeding to hear the matter is what was greeted with a majority decision of 4-1. And so we await the decision, and then the reasoning, and we take it from there. The other matter also had 4 reliefs, 3 substantive reliefs, and then 1 which is the normal 10 lawyers do, which is that any further orders. And that also the court dismissed 2, the first 2, and then granted unanimously the 3rd one, which 3rd one also borders on the contempt, which the court, they were asking the court to vacate the ruling on the contempt, which the court actually obliged them and then granted seal. And so essentially, per what we heard from the Supreme Court, the petition stands, the matter would go on unabated, but essentially it is the contempt that had that decision of the 4-1 majority decision. And then we await the reasoning, and then we will advise our clients on the next week. That notwithstanding, there is still a valid petition, which, because you recall that the thrust of their case was that there was no Gazette notification, and that has been the thrust of it. Today, the court has dismissed that application. Essentially, what the Supreme Court is saying is that there was actually a valid Gazette notification. And so question what the intention is. And so there is that issue or that suspected crime of forgery and perjury. And that is what we will pursue from here. And I can assure you that that matter would also be pursued.